Unlock the full potential of your Canon Eos 250d and transform your live streams into a professional production. First, for seamless connectivity, you'll need the right cable. A micro USB to USB-A cable will link your camera to your computer. Next, let's dive into your camera's settings. Navigate to the menu and find the movie record size option. For optimal live streaming quality, select a resolution of at least 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames per second. Autofocus can sometimes be unpredictable during live streams, so switch your lens to manual focus for consistent clarity. This ensures your camera stays sharp on your subject without hunting for focus. Now, let's prevent your camera from going to sleep during your broadcast. In the menu, locate Auto Power Off and set it to disable. This is crucial for uninterrupted streaming. Then, download and install the Canon Eos Webcam utility software on your computer. This free tool acts as a bridge, allowing your computer to recognize your camera as a webcam. While the Canon Eos 250d captures great video, for superior audio, consider using an external microphone connected to your camera's microphone jack or directly to your computer. With these simple steps, your Canon Eos 250d is now a powerful tool ready to elevate your live streams with professional-grade video, perfect for any content creator.